Show of it to welcome back to another episode of Dollar Dates. As you know, Tina Slang and Money Moves, speaking the financial language Bafetu. Today, as you all know, Bafetu, size ngenye indaba namhlanje yabo. So, Petro Rena, as you know, come on, it's been long as it's long,
but every day was speaking.
Oh yeah, with Dollar Dates are always Bafetu yabo. So Bafethu today kule episode whereby sizontshela ngama renovations engizibona kuningi okwenzakalayo. So there's a lot of things esiventure kuzo. Foreign affairs is venturing on other things. Khona ama renovations azoba khona la. Kuningi esizoringa ngabo namhlanje. We'll be talking about into eningi engizonibriefa ngazo about into ezenzakalayo around yabo. So, Fanaching Petendio Olumiti Soringa, because we are about to actually do verification XM because Buffett une $30 amala from XM Buffett. So XM is actually giving out $30 to anyone of who create an account for the first time, you understand. Bear in mind, more totally $30, there's still 100% yeah. So don't forget that. So it's actually benefiting to some. So if I have the account, I would actually say tune in and then we'll get this episode for you to actually open an account before you for April. Because you for April by Avala. So that's what I'm actually pleading with you to go to XM search and say XM and then is obvezela and then get the 30% USD. $30 and then uzokwazi ukuthi uqale i-account yakho without ukuzikhipha imali yabo. So yeah mfethu
sibatshele ngibacheckele ukuthi imali $30
angathi abayazi mfethu
kunomuntu uthi $30
mhlawumbe imali encane
check ukuthi imali $30
awubacheckele lapho sithi ukubabonisa kancane ukuthi kenzakalani kahle kahle yabo. So Bafethu, as you know, as Asan Chekela, so there's a lot of things seasons like higher as the foreign affairs. It's not only trading and a lot of things. So Nyabona Bafethu, not 500 lamala. It's not the 350. Aximala Ramaposa, the 500 lamala. So if you convert the $30, it will be what? It will be 547 rands. Yabo. Bayibone kahle. I'm gonna scan QR code and then have the account. So Bafethu, as you know, we will be doing levels in Toledo and then sending verification at $30. I want you to see what this $30 in the corner. You understand? So today, sizoverify account yokuthi sikwazi ukuthi simkhombise ukuthi le 570 iyakwazi ukuthi ingene accountini yakho yabo. So that's what we are going to brief you about today yabo. So yeah, izinto esizobe sizenza namhlanje. And another thing esizobe silinga ngayo ngombuzo is ilontuzana price list bafethu. So as Nas in this industry, forex and all of that, there's a lot of people there's a lot of people serious and all of that, you understand. So now we are giving you an opportunity. If you are serious enough about the forex and trading and all of that, you can actually come and contact the foreign affairs, and then now contact the foreign affairs. They will actually send you a price list. For a first time trader, how are they going to assist you, and then price yakho nihamba kanjani. So into ebalekile leyo bafethu esizoringa ngayo namhlanje. And then after the season verify account, I can't wait for the $30 bafethu. Email nami I cannot wait there. So we are yiloko nje namhlanje. And another thing bafethu, I want you to actually tune in, subscribe and actually watch Dollar Dates, because eventually Dollar Dates is growing thanks to our views bafethu. Our viewers wethu. We thank you guys. Keep on actually subscribing and viewing our channel, because without winner, I see it in mix. So we need you guys because see Dollar Dates. So that's why I see subscribe more and do us good for us to do the world good. So it's how we help each other. So yeah, injalo bafethu, subscribe to our channel and then watch Itola Dates every time. So yeah, ulumvethu. Hamba kanjani mfethu hayi?
Hayi. Nje ngasikudala sobe sibheja ngeFIFA nje. So
Awuzwe.
umuntu ayenze sure ukuthi uyas-email, subscribe nje ajoyine yabo.
Okay, ngizwile ke bafethu. So ngicela ubabrief about this thing okhuluma ngayo. Maybe they don't understand ukuthi kahle kahle what's going on, usitshela ngama-FIFA manje sigcine senza imali kwenzakalani manje yabo. So for umuntu confused onga-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani, can you actually brief us ukuthi what is actually going on from now on kuya phambili as i-foreign affairs, ama-plans wala e-ofisini and for the future, I understand. So nje for i-viewer engazi, please actually explain ukuthi ubani wenzani la ekhaya, and then if viewer ifuna ukwazi more, go to the first episode and then izozitholela. So bafethu ngicela usitshele nje ukuthi kwenzakalani from now on for umuntu nje interested ukwazi ukuthi la office ngena kwenziwe njani, kungena kanjani, kungena aba-special kanjani. So please brief us on that.
Okay. Yeah. So i-Foreign Affairs, guys, is a trading company.
Yeah.
But then I'm the chairman here, Foreign Affairs, and then we have a lot of people we're working with. So we came to, like, what can I say? We came to like a point where we branching into a new venture, which like singahlanganisa like gaming, trading, and like media into one thing.
Yeah.
So we are wanting a manje, like this is media that we're doing.
Yeah.
So we're gonna also be introducing like a studio. So if you want to find like a recorder or something, because abanye abantu probably batrade la ukenza imali ba record or something. More purchase stress, maybe more to trader, you can play Xbox or what you see. So to limit that, we have like price lists. Then let's say now we handle service, then we will let someone now it's like sakbata we let someone. So I'm a price list way to never like marshal. I just say the few or I'll just go maybe into the combos, maybe like that we can give to abantu ababheka i-dollar dates, you see. So maybe just these ones will apply to our subscribers with dollar dates.
Yeah.
And then these packages, guys, they don't apply most of dollar dates because the dollar dates is a venture between the NPO and Foreign Affairs, you see. So umuntu makaze office ini akazanga ku-dollar dates, it's Foreign Affairs. I-dollar dates njenga-Saturday so bese-17. Sometimes so the semaphore so the so i-dollar date is not ukuthi manje every time uzosithola la i-dollar dates, guys, maybe so beseka slako mara these prices zenza la ofisini mozini uzodlala i-Xbox studio, but then so umfethu ashilo it's renovation. So umuntu maybe masakeza uzozibonela izobe seyihlukile to the entire manje yabo. So we have the first package, Groove package is 5 clipper. So we give them 1 hour studio recording, 1 hour trading lesson, 1 hour Xbox. And then since we pay an $8 dates, we subscribe the Xbox, so we maybe like an extra 30 minutes. So instead of 1 hour, and then maybe they use 2, we can give you 2 hours a studio, maybe beat 2 hours Xbox, and then maybe extra like 30 minutes a trading session. Maybe that's like 7 clippers. So maybe we can give them like those packages, but we're gonna be having like studio trading lessons and Xbox. We're gonna be charging for trading. We're gonna be charging per course, which is also like time based. We're making a membership. So let's say we trade our cartel, we trade we can come, but then the membership it depends. Kuba ne-membership nje yokufika e-ofisini ube ne-space, kuba ne-membership ukuthi uzothola i-laptop yakho special ukuthi like eyakho uzosebenza ngayo. And then studio kuba nama-beats, mastering. That one I'm not yet completely sure, but the CEO will elaborate more on the next episodes. And then that's it. But guys, just text us 069. What's the number? 069 303 0734. and then sokuthumela i-price list uhlale phansi uzibhekele yona.